I cannot count. I would say at least 20 times. I started my first visit already more than 10 years ago when the hall was empty. And from that time on, I visited SLRI very often and on a regular basis, as a user and also as an advisor. This time I am measuring human heritage material that are old glasses from churches in Europe that are more than 1,000 years old, and we are interested in the techniques that have been used in previous times. That means that are ancient materials, stained glass and mortar from old churches. That's the main material. I think that this machine is especially for low energy X-ray absorption experiments one of the most reliable machines in the world. And from my experience, it's a very good facility to do those experiments. From what I can say, yesterday was very successful. We are making progress, and I hope that we can collect all the data that I'm expecting. My last visit was also very successful. On the scientific side, I'm impressed by the reliability of the machine. It's very reliable. That means the failures the number of failures is very low. That means when you are coming, you are collecting a lot of data in a short period of time, and that's very important for our experiments. They are very well trained. I can only say a few things about Beamline 8. That means all the people are very supportive, they are well trained. And from what I can say, I did experiment at 5 different facilities in my life. These are one of the best supporters for external users, no doubt about that. No, they know exactly what they are doing. That means they have learned the processes, how to optimize the equipment. And not all users are very well trained. That means they need the support of staff, and the staff is well trained to give that support. That means I have done synchrotron radiation for 100 years or so. It's a little bit easier for me, but they are well trained, very supportive, and they know exactly when there are problems, where the problems are coming from. No, all the other thing, my feeling is the way the machine is operated. That means the injection, the lifetime of the beam, that's all fine. There are no real complaints. I don't see a real problem. And also the support over more or less 24 hours. That means the improvements are really tiny things outside of the real science or so. I'm aware of a few other beamlines. The Beamline 8 is perhaps the most advanced ones because they had a lot of time to improve things. My feeling is there are some beamlines that have great potential to be leading in the world. For example, the infrared beamline could be a very good one, and also the time-resolved X-ray setup could be a very good beamline. But it takes a little bit time, and Beamline 8 has some years more experience than the other ones. But I'm pretty sure that you will catch up. Beamline 5, I talked with Montana about that. There are obviously still a few issues concerning photon flux, but that would be because the monochromator is a home-built monochromator that was built in Thailand. That's also a success, that you build a monochromator which is state-of-the-art. I'm pretty sure that also Beamline 5 will catch up. the coffee could be a little bit better.
Really?
Yeah, really. There are tiny things in the life of a scientist, and coffee machines are very important.
Very much.
Absolutely sure. I'm coming back.